career start to go on good now, locally and go on good and I get him airplay and them and thing pan radio and all of them good stuff then. And the dancehall thing, you know what I mean? Tiger DJ up and the thing. But Tiger always different. Tiger have a unique sound. Like a cartoon type of sound like, and he's a man with full of energy also. You think an elephant man talk about him an energy god? A tiger had a real energy. Yeah. See? When them man touch keys and the man just a jump, them man all a split in the air, jump and a split in the air. Them man in a stop move on stage. Tiger. Very energetic. Full of vibes on stage. The whole thing kinda even change for Tiger right now. Where him life kinda go up and then it does make a turn and start to go back down. Right? Cause when you don't know the Tiger was in an accident.